Database system environment. A database system, it is a collection of database and a set of programs to manipulate data stored in a database. Database system provides some functionalities like storage, manipulation and use of data. I already explained database in my previous video. You can visit it. There are four major components for database system environment: data, hardware, software and user. I am using the original figure from DBMS. In this, data is stored in database. Database it is in disk. Disk it is a hardware. There is a software. It has interaction between users and the hardware. Data, it is the most important component of the database system. Data means non-facts that can be recorded and have implicit meaning. Suppose there is one customer. Customer has ID, name, address. It is the data of customer. Hardware. All the physical devices which are connected with our system, it is known as a hardware. Suppose printer, mouse, keyboard. Okay. But from the database point of view, there are two types: processor and the secondary storage device. So next, what is the function? Processor supports the execution of the database software and the secondary storage device used to store data of a system permanently. And the best example for secondary storage device, it is a hard disk. We all know hard disk we are using for our storage of data permanently. Third one, it is software. Software provides the interaction between users and database stored in physical device. So it provides one kind of interface. Software components are application programs, DBMS software and operating system. And the last one, it is user. Any person who interacts with a database in any form, it is considered as a database user. Mainly there are four types: administrator, designer, application programmers and end users. Now the function. Database administrator has central control over the database system including data and programs. Designers identify the data to be stored in database and design the structure of database for organization. Application programmers write application programs to develop database applications using some programming languages like C, C++ and Java. And users interact with the system by using pre-developed application programs. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have any query you can write me in the comment section. Thank you.